Imagine this. You're in a world where you're working on many projects at a time, but have no way to keep track of your progress and write status updates. You've tried an Excel document, but find it to be too much work. It feels like a waste of time to make all of your entries formatted consistently, and there's no easy way to group the entries by project name or type. Welcome TrekTrack, project tracking made easy. TrekTrack is a platform that allows you to track your progress across numerous projects, submit status reports, and estimate your overall project completion. The idea for this project came from my high school technology class, where we worked on multiple projects throughout the semester and were asked to create a weekly task list for what we accomplished. To me, the requirement was simply busy work, but now I saw an opportunity to make it useful for the project development process. Easily seeing your project statuses throughout the project helps you get a bigger picture of where you started and how far you've come. Tom is a student with a lot of side projects that make him very overwhelmed. He found TrekTrack and created 3 entries for his projects. He did some more work on them today and he wants to add them to his progress. On this page, he can see the past entries he made, as well as clicking the new status button to move on. The first project that Tom worked on today was his portfolio project. So he's going to select that from the dropdown, add the name, which is his initial commit, and then add a short description. He's also going to set the project completion percentage to be 0%, as he has just started the project. Then he's going to submit it and see a status confirmation page. Tom and other users really like this status confirmation to be able to see what he just added on the last page and decide if he wants to cancel it and go back or submit it. As you can see, the portfolio now is at the bottom of the page, which shows that Tom has officially added his new contribution to the web app. The next thing that Tom wants to do is add a new entry for the mobile order app that he was working on today. He discovered 3 bugs and was able to patch one of them. He selects the mobile order project, adds a name and a description, and then he sets the project completion percentage to 75% to represent that he's not as far in the project as he thought he was. He sees the confirmation again, submits it, and then he's able to view the new project status on his homepage. He can see that it's red, which means that there's a decrease in the amount of progress from the previous submission. So he went down from 100 to 75%, which means that it was flagged as red to show a decrease in progress from the last status report. After entering these 2 progress reports today using TrekTracker, Tom is really happy about all the progress he made and is really excited to get working again tomorrow. He's excited to tell all of his friends about TrekTrack so that they can help track their projects and track their progress. TrekTrack. Project tracking is not all about the end goal. It's about the journey.